Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to bring your Figma designs to life with clickable, interactive prototypes, stick around, because in just the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very first interactive prototype in Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand what prototyping in Figma is, but you'll also be able to set it up yourself, saving loads of time when communicating your design ideas with teammates or clients. Alright, let's dive right in. You might be asking, what exactly is asterisk a Figma prototype? Well, think of it as a digital version of a flipbook or even a stop-motion animation. Instead of simply showing your design screens, you're connecting them, creating clickable areas to simulate real user interactions. This means you can show off how your app or website will behave, not just how it looks, no coding needed. To give you a practical demo, let's use a really simple example, an on and off toggle button. The idea here is that when someone clicks the button, it should switch between the on state and off state, just like a real light switch. First things first, go ahead and select the Prototype tab at the top of your workspace in Figma. This is where all the magic happens. Now click on the button or shape that will serve as your toggle. As soon as you select it, you'll notice a tiny blue dot appear near the edge of the shape, almost like a little anchor. This dot is super important. It's what you'll use to connect different parts of your prototype, basically telling Figma, when someone clicks here, go there asterisk. Click and hold on that blue dot and drag a little blue wire from your first shape, our on button, down to the shape below it, which in this case will be the off state. Once you let go, a side panel should pop up. Here, where you set up the actual interaction, it might sound a bit technical, but stay with me. You want to set the trigger to on click, then for the action, choose change to and select the property or variant you want. Let's say variant 2, which would be your off state. For animation, we'll keep it simple and set it to instant so the switch happens right away. This step is like connecting two train cars together, so when someone hops on the first, they're seamlessly carried to the second. Next, you want this toggle to work both ways, so let's connect the off shape back up to the original on state. Repeat the same process. Select the off shape, drag the blue dot back to on, set your interaction to change to, pick the default or variant 1, and again select the instant animation. This way, your prototype will feel natural and responsive, much like flipping a switch on and off in real life. Now, let's say you've built this toggle and want to test it out. Here's a little trick. Head over to the Assets panel, find your button component, and drag it right onto your working frame. When you're ready to see your hard work in action, click the play icon in the top right corner to open the prototype preview. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. This is totally normal, especially with your first prototype. And just like that, you've used Figma's prototyping tools to make an interactive toggle. Prototyping is all about connecting your ideas and helping others feel your design, not just see it. Even something as simple as an on and off button can make your project so much more engaging and realistic. I hope this beginner-friendly guide gives you the confidence to start experimenting with your own prototypes in Figma. If you learned something today or want to see more tutorials just like this, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. And of course, subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching and happy designing.